YouTube? It's Flyroy back with another video. So look, I've been a little busy. I'm gonna show y'all what I've been working on. While you ain't seen me, y'all stay tuned. Peace. Today we back with a video. I'm back. Went in the house and got dressed. Took my church clothes off. You know what I'm saying? So I got something in here in the building with me right now that y'all haven't seen in a while. Ain't nobody dropped in the comments, asked me nothing about it or none of that. So last night I went and got my favorite little piece of my favorite toy. I'm gonna let y'all hear it and y'all tell me what y'all think it is. It's nasty too, nasty. Check it out, listen. Oh, you hear that? Oh, what y'all think that is? What y'all think that is? Y'all stay tuned. Tell me what y'all think that Cold Star was. I'm ready to pull it out the garage so I can pull it outside so y'all can see. We gonna spin it around. Now don't y'all bash me in the comments because of what it's looking like, but don't worry about that. We're gonna take care of that, all that situation right now. Y'all like, share, subscribe, and y'all stay tuned to your boy. Lock in. And also, guys, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because if I drop a video, you can get it. If you just subscribe, you will not get my videos. Hit the notification bell. Stay tuned. Peace. I'm back. Just brought something back out of hibernation. It's gonna need a little bit, gotta do a little work to it, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna go ahead and spin the camera around and I'm gonna show y'all today, step by step, on how to change rear brakes on a 2008 GMC Denali. I'm gonna spin the camera around and let y'all check it out. So y'all see we got a Denali XL, big boy shoes on it, big boy shoes. So the first thing you wanna do is, far as oh, and the motor's clean, guys. Motor's very clean. See, he got a cold air intake. I heard he got something up his sleeves that he can ready to do something else with his engine and really make this thing start moving. So doing your rear brakes, the first thing you want to do is you want to remove your brake cap, because the fluid is going to start coming up once you press the piston in. Also want to jack the vehicle up. And before you jack the vehicle up, you might want to break your lugs to get those off and get your tire off. Also want to put jack stands underneath the vehicle. So I already removed the 2 caliper bolts already, which is a 13 here. And you have to see how it's still on there, so the piston is still pushed out. So I'm gonna go get my tools so I can push the piston back in, get these new brakes changed on this side. And y'all stay tuned. So here we go, guys. We back. I have my pry bar. You know, you can either pry it or you can get you a screwdriver or something to push the piston back. And also, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and press it in with our here C-clamp. Let me go ahead and get my new pads. These are glazed. You guys can see that the one inside is worn out more than the other side. So guys, I always keep a pair of fresh brakes on hand for my Denali. Never know, you might have to do a change in the middle of the night or something or whatever. You know, you can always have them. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these new ones in. And put me some, a lot of people use the brake grease I use Never Seas. Come on. There we go. All right. Go ahead and all right, let's tighten it down. Look, I was like, hey man, he hitting on this nice powder coated red caliber. We're gonna redo everything on the truck over again. That's why I wasn't worrying about tapping them. Tapping the calipers because we are not going to worry about those now because I have some coming in. We're going with a new color on the calipers. Okay. We got that side knocked out.